So it's very simple. Create a new page, go to the code editor, put a standard controller, but this time a standard controller should not be account, this should be opportunity. So whatever we want to display here will be from opportunity dot name. So these are not the fields, right? What we have to understand is, if you have copied the code and pasted it here, it will throw this error. I have just intentionally done it to make you understand that these fields are not the fields for opportunity. Opportunity has its own fields, right? So the 4 fields that we were talking about, are the stage, close date, amount. Okay. Now what we have to understand is that we need to give the exact name of the field. If you are not sure what is the name of the field, then you should go to the setup, customize opportunities fields. Okay, so here you will have the list of all the fields. We need, in the code, we need name of the field. Like I said stage, but what is the name of the stage field? Actual name of the field name is stage name. This is the name of the field. Stage is just a label. Then I say close date. So this is the name of the field, close date. Amount, this is only amount only. Okay. So that is what we have to understand. So in the second line, what should I put? Label can be anything. There is a label, but here it should be stage name. Again, here you can put any label, close date, but here it should be the field name, close date. Got this? Now rest of the things I think you can do. I mean, I just wanted to make you understand how this thing will be done from here to here. Okay, Tejasvi has a question. She says, what if we want to add a new field? Tejasvi, I could not understand. Add a new field means put a field in Visualforce page or add a field in the table? So in Visualforce page now I have shown it, right? Now is it clear with you? How to bring the fields from opportunity? Fine. So any object, see, I mean, I keep on using this account as a standard controller for your understanding. So every time I'm using the same fields, but whenever you start using any other object and you want to display fields and you're not very sure on the names, please go back to that object and you see the exact name of the fields. Okay, so you will see that there is a label and a name attached to all the fields. So in the coding we need to use the name of the field. Okay, and for custom fields we need to use the API name. So like, this complete thing should be used instead of the name. Okay, fine. So I'm just keeping it till here. You can do it on your own. The edit section part you guys can create. Okay, fine. So this is about our standard controller where we have created a few different ways of displaying the data, and at the same time we have created this form where we can edit the data as well, right? Now the next thing that we have to discuss about is a standard list controller. So far we have been dealing with standard controller. The problem with a standard controller, or the restriction rather with a standard controller, is that it can display only one record at a time, right? So for whatever pages we have created using standard controller, every time we need to supply an ID, right? If you take an ID from a record and supply it in the URL, then it will show the data of that particular record, right? What if you want to create a page where you want to display a list of accounts? So far, all the pages we have created are for single record.